Why did Amazon take down my product after I listed it? You listed your product, everything looked good, and then bam, Amazon pulls it down. No sales, no warning, just an email that leaves you more confused than when you just get started. Sound familiar, right? You are not alone. As a matter of fact, this happens to so many new sellers, especially those exporting from Africa and other emerging markets. And this is because Amazon has rules, a whole lot of them, and breaking just one of them can get your listing suppressed or removed completely. But here is the thing, most of these issues are 100% avoidable. That's exactly if you know what to look out for. Now in this video, I'm breaking down top 15 silent killers that can get your Amazon listing flagged or banned. From packaging problems, to keyword slip-ups, to images that just don't meet Amazon standards. So if you are dead serious about getting your product from Africa or other emerging markets to Amazon, and you have a plan to keep them live, visible, and selling, then this is a video you have to watch, because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to avoid Amazon listing mistakes, keep your product live and searchable, then save yourself time, money, and ton of frustrations. So if you're ready to protect your Amazon account and grow your sales the smart way, join me right now and let's get into it. Reason 1, trademark violation. This one is huge. You can't just list a product with characters like Mickey Mouse or Nickelodeon unless you have official permission. Amazon will ask you to show proof from the trademark holder. If you don't have it, your listing is gone. Reason 2, poor packaging or product leakage. Packaging isn't just presentation, it is protection. Invest in quality packaging. Reason 3, your product is classified as hazardous. Yes, even perfume can be classified as hazardous. If your item contains chemicals or is flammable, Amazon might temporarily block it and request an MSDS, which we all know as Material Safety Data Sheet. Without that, your product won't go live. Always check if your product falls under this rule before shipping. Reason 4, wrong or incomplete labeling. Every product needs a proper barcode, and if you are selling bundles like a 2-pack or a 3-pack product, they each need their own unique barcode. Don't assume Amazon will figure it out themselves. They won't. And if you skip a suffocation warning label on plastic packaging, they might charge you $0.5 per item to fix. Reason 5, errors in your listing copy. This is exactly where a lot of people get caught. You can't put phrases like 50% off or best in the world in your product title. Also avoid unverified claims like cure skin conditions unless you have scientific proof. One wrong word and Amazon can remove or flag your listing. Also don't use words like organic unless your product is certified organic. Amazon will definitely ask you for documentation. Reason 6, poor or non-compliant product images. If you're selling fashion items, Amazon doesn't want to see clothes on mannequins. They want real people wearing the item. On the flip side, accessories like watches or belts, your main image should be the item alone on a plain white background. Blurry or low quality images usually suppress listings. Each product category has its own photo rules. Know them and follow them. Reason 7, negative reviews and bad customer experience. Amazon is obsessed with customer satisfaction. We all know that. If your product consistently gets bad reviews, warning, and if nothing changes, they will yank the listing. Reason 8, listing your product in the wrong category. You might think your product belongs to one category, but Amazon might think otherwise. Misplaced listings confuse customers and mess with their algorithm. If you're not sure, do your research or talk to someone who knows Amazon's back end. Reason 9, inconsistent product information across variants. If you list products with variations like size or color, but your descriptions or bullet points contradict each other, Amazon can flag it as misleading. For example, saying 100% cotton in the parent listing, but one of the child variation is polyester. That's a red flag. Consistency is key when using parent listing. Reason 10, unauthorized health or medical claims. This one gets a lot of people, especially sellers of supplements, herbal teas, or skincare. If your listing say things like it cures arthritis or boosts fertility without FDA approval or clinical evidence, Amazon will pull it immediately. Claims must be backed by verifiable legal documentation. Reason 11, low performance metrics, especially for FBM sellers. If you are fulfilling orders by yourself and your order defect rate, late shipment rate, or cancellation rate crosses Amazon's acceptable threshold, they may deactivate your products or even your entire account. FBA sellers are less affected here, but FBM sellers, be careful. Reason 12, product listing hijacking. This is when someone else edits your listing, especially if it's a generic product, and changes key details like the title or the images. If Amazon sees conflicting information or customer complaints based on false editing, they may suppress the listing. Using brand registry can help protect you here. Reason 13, lack of brand registry or GTIN exception. If you list a private label product but don't enroll in brand registry or don't apply for a GTIN exception, Amazon may take your listing down for not meeting identification standard, especially if the product appears generic or lacks manufacturer info. Reason 14, watermark or branded images. Amazon is very strict about main product images. If your photos have watermarks or brand logos or any text overlays, even if it's your own brand, Amazon may suppress the listing. Main images should be clean on a pure white background and free of distractions. Reason 15, category gating violations. Certain categories on Amazon, like fine jewelries, supplements, or alcohol, are gated, meaning you need special approval to sell them. If you list in one of these categories without approval, even by mistake, Amazon can remove your listing instantly. My final thought for you today is that there are more rules, of course, but if you avoid these 15 common mistakes, you will be already ahead of 90% of new sellers. I've made series of videos that focus on Amazon upload, Amazon registration, sending to Amazon, and of course, tips on how you can sell well on Amazon, most especially FBA. I'll be dropping the link to each of them right in the description below and the comment section below as well. And you can also click the playlist that just appeared next to me to check them out.